Bank of America login, bankofamerica.com login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can basically go ahead and then log into Bank of America, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd basically like to go and log into your Bank of America account, all you have to do is actually open your browser, and once you open your browser you want to go to bankofamerica.com. Now from here, if you look at the top right hand side, you'll find the login button, so you can just tap the login option. From there it will ask and prompt you to get the app, so if that is what you were looking for, you can also get the app, but I'll just continue to log in on my browser here. So once I have done that, I'll be able to go ahead and then basically enter my login details, which is my mobile banking details here, and as I've done that, I'll be able to successfully log in. In case you happen to forget your user ID and password, you can tap the forgot user ID password, and if you haven't enrolled yet for online or mobile banking, you can tap the enroll button there. This way you should be able to log into Bank of America. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.